Welcome. If you're preparing to graduate with a degree in Management Information Systems, Computer Information Systems, or a related IT field, today's topic is for you. In this video, we're diving deep into how to create a strategic, personalized job search plan that reflects your values, strengths, and goals, not just your resume. You'll learn how to leverage tools like the Flower Petal Exercise, O.NET Online, and career exploration matrices to navigate the job market with purpose and confidence. If you're serious about starting your tech or business career on the right foot, like this video, subscribe, and share it with a classmate who's also trying to figure out their path. And if any part of this process resonates with you, drop a comment. I'd love to hear how you're shaping your own strategy. Let's start with the foundation of every great career plan: self-assessment. Knowing what you're good at is important, but knowing what matters to you in a workplace is just as critical. One of the most well-known self-assessment tools is the Flower Petal Exercise, adapted from What Color is Your Parachute? It asks you to reflect on 7 petals, the kind of people or environment you work best with, your ideal work conditions, your top transferable skills, industries or knowledge areas that interest you, your preferred level of responsibility, salary and lifestyle expectations, and your values and long-term goals. Each of these areas helps paint a full picture of your ideal career. Once you've filled them in, you'll start to see patterns. Maybe you value autonomy, want to use your analytical skills in fintech, and prefer hybrid work in collaborative teams. That personal profile becomes your career compass, guiding you toward the roles that truly align with who you are. From there, we move to career research. This is where tools like O.NET Online and the Occupational Outlook Handbook come in. These platforms let you explore job titles, required skills, projected salaries, and industry outlooks. For instance, if you're interested in data analytics, you can search data analyst and see what technical skills are required, what certifications are common, and what related roles you might not have considered, like data engineer or business intelligence analyst. To make this process manageable, try creating a career exploration matrix. Compare different job titles across categories, required skills, qualifications, salary range, and cultural fit. For example, how does the role of IT project manager compare to that of a business systems analyst in terms of leadership expectations, work-life balance, and required certifications? This structured comparison helps you choose based on alignment, not just salary or job title. Next, let's talk about guidance. Your university likely offers more support than you realize. Career counselors, academic advisors, faculty, and alumni can help you clarify options, identify your brand, and even open doors through referrals. Don't underestimate the power of asking a professor, "What kind of roles do former students from this course go into?" Their insights may introduce you to career paths you've never considered. Now, let's talk about experience through experimentation. Internships, part-time jobs, volunteer projects, and class-based capstone work all count. Think of them as career test drives. You don't have to wait until you graduate to gain clarity. Maybe your work-study job helping manage campus IT systems showed you that you love troubleshooting, or a volunteer website build for a nonprofit sparked an interest in UX design. Every experience adds another piece to your career strategy puzzle. Another essential layer is networking. We say it often, but here's the data to back it up. Over 70% of job openings are filled through networking or referrals, not job boards. So if you're only applying through websites, you're missing out on the hidden job market. Start small. Reach out to alumni, attend industry meetups, request informational interviews, and engage in professional communities online. Networking isn't about asking for a job. It's about asking for insight, building relationships, and staying on people's radar. You also need to prepare for common job search challenges. Maybe your applications go into a black hole with no response. Maybe you're not finding the right roles, or you're facing time pressure and burnout. Each of these challenges has a solution. Use keywords from job descriptions to tailor your resume and beat applicant tracking systems. Track your applications and follow up strategically. Set goals for weekly networking and applications to stay motivated. Create modular resume templates to make customizing easier, or practice interviews using the STAR method to reduce anxiety and sharpen your story. And don't forget to factor in biases and barriers, including age, gender, race, disability, and gaps in experience. Know your rights under ADA, EEOC, and ADEA laws. But beyond the legal framework, prepare narratives that help you confidently address any potential concerns. For example, After taking a gap to care for a family member, I completed 2 certifications in cloud security and data analytics to ensure I'm ready for this role. It's not about defending your background, it's about positioning it strategically. Finally, we come to the heart of this module. Your personalized job search strategy. Start by setting clear goals. What roles are you targeting? What industries interest you? Where do you want to live? Then define your value proposition. The unique mix of strengths, experiences, and perspective you bring to the table. Map out your target employers and weekly actions. Networking, skill building, applications, and mock interviews. Track your progress. If you're not getting interviews, revise your resume. If you're getting interviews but no offers, revisit your storytelling and preparation. Remember, this isn't a passive process. You are managing a project, and the product is you. And like any good project, it takes planning, iteration, and reflection. So let me leave you with a challenge. Write down 3 actions you'll take this week. Maybe it's connecting with an alum on LinkedIn. Maybe it's completing your resume. Maybe it's researching one company and one role that aligns with your Flower Exercise profile. Whatever it is, take action. Because the job you want isn't just waiting, it's something you build toward, one strategic step at a time. If this video gave you clarity or sparked a new idea for your career strategy, like it, subscribe, and comment below with one action you're committing to this week. And if you know someone else who needs this roadmap, share it with them. Thanks for watching, and remember, your career strategy starts with you. Let's build it together.